The simple dog care manual has served canine lovers for generations and continues to be popular. Dogs remain the most favored of all pets because they are the most loyal of all. They are also great sentinels, which is how we get the word watchdog. Trained pet dogs perform a variety of additional functions as well. They can help their masters cross the road and even fetch the newspaper for them. But if you don't care for your pet dog, you put both its life and yours in peril. For then it would attract fleas and it could create major health risks for you and others close by. Make sure the dog is always in collar and a tag giving its name and your address is attached to it. Use a leash when you are taking it out for a walk and never encourage small puppies to venture near water bodies. Dogs love humans more than even their own and need more attention than other pets, especially cats, which are sly and self-centered. Dogs go almost crazy and start behaving very strangely, becoming even hostile when their masters ignore or mistreat them.
We all want to keep our pets with us as long as possible. So to extend our pet lives, we have to give them more care and love. Most dogs, depending on size, can live 10 to 15 years if they are good in shape mentally and physically. So these are some things which you have to always keep in your mind and increase dog's life. First one is maintenance of your dog's teeth. To keep your dog's teeth healthy, you should brush dog's teeth at least a couple of times every week. Secondly, healthy weight of a dog. To extend your pet's life is to make an effort to keep them at a healthy weight all times. Third, regular exercise. Exercise is very important for dogs. Dogs should get at least 1 hour of exercise every day to improve their health and regulate their weight. Fourth is regular checkup and vaccinations. Regular checkups with a veterinarian can help detect diseases. Fifth, relaxing time for dog. Everyone needs time to relax, including a dog. Stress can have a negative effect on dogs if they are in a state of constant anxiety. There should be some type of balance where your dog can get some exercise but also have time to be independent from the family and get some rest.
Place the dog in the tub. The best way to do it is to put one arm under its chest and the other behind the rear legs. Be gentle and go about it slowly so that it does not get scared and becomes used to the bathing routine. Once your pet is relaxed, wash its head. Do not spray the water directly in its face. Lift it a little so that the water runs down the back of the head. Lather it up with shampoo and massage it gently. For dogs with long hair, massage the coat in a way so that the hair does not stick out. Then rinse it with lukewarm water and scrub and comb it.
जैसे ग्रूमिंग हमारे लिए ज़रूरी है, वैसे ही पेट्स के लिए भी उतनी ज़रूरी है. अगर हम रोज़ नहाते हैं, लेकिन हम अपने बाल शैम्पू रोज़ नहीं करते हैं, because they are essential oils which we lose. Similarly, पेट्स के लिए कई लोग मिसकंसीव करते हैं इसको एंड अपने डॉग को बोलते हैं रोज़ नहला दो, हर 4 दिन नहला दो. ऐसा नहीं होता. डॉग्स कैनॉट टेक बाथ मोर देन वंस इन 10 days और 15 days. क्योंकि उनके एसेंशियल बॉडी ऑयल्स होते हैं जो कि वो लूज़ करते हैं और उससे स्किन इरिटेशन, ड्राइनेस, ये सब चीज़ें पैदा होती हैं.